I've never had potatoes as delicious as this one. Now everyone asks me for the recipe. For this recipe here I'm going to cut for medium potatoes into pieces. I'll put them in a pan, and add water to cover. Cover and cook until the potato softens. The potato has already softened. I'm going to take it off the fire and drain this water. Put the potatoes in a bowl now, and I'm going to mash them very well. If you don't have a potato masher, can you use a fork? Now I'm going to add 200 grams of milk cream. And I'm going to mix it very well. And guys, are you already commenting to me what city are you watching us from and how is the weather in your city? Weather is hot, weather is cold, comment there and I'll send you a special hug. Now, I'm going to add an egg. A little bit of green smell, but it's totally up to my taste. Put a teaspoon of salt. A spoonful of sugar. And mix very well. And this recipe here, folks, is super easy to make. I'm sure you all will love it, because it's delicious. Now I'm going to add it little by little. 2.5 cups of wheat flour, and today, I'm going to send a special big hug to 2 people who are always commenting on my videos. A big hug to Brenda Lee in Denton, Texas. And also to Kathleen White in Jacksonville, Florida. Thank you so much for commenting. I thank you immensely. Now will I be modeling here? I put a little oil on my hand. Am I going to shape it like that and put cheese inside? Now just close it, model it again, and it looks like this here. It was delicious. Here in the frying pan, I'm going to put a little oil. And adding our potatoes, right? Now here it fried one side, I'll be turning to fry the other side. And now I'm going to take it off and put it on the paper towel. Is our receita ready and delicious? Is it great for you to have an afternoon snack? Is it a delight? So, if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Bye.